Alright guys, here it is, one of the videos at least that you've been waiting for. Right now we've got these two tents set up. This is the Coody 17.2 Pro Inflatable Tent from RBM Outdoors. This is a 12 by 16 tent. I recently put up my unboxing, setup, and review of this tent. If you want, you can go back and check that out. And the tent right in front of it is the 12 by 12 Coody Hub Pro. This is also an inflatable luxury tent. You can get both of these from RBM Outdoors. I also just recently, like 2 or 3 days ago, put up my complete unboxing, setup, and review of this tent right here. Both of these tents are absolute camping game changers. You're gonna want to check out those videos. Again, this one is a 12 by 16. This one here is a 12 by 12. The walls on each of these are 6 feet tall. The peak on this one and this one are both right around 7 feet, and then the peak in the middle of this one is almost 9 feet tall. So from that you can already see just how enormous these tents are. And today we're gonna make them bigger. Right here I have a connector that also comes from RBM Outdoors, and this is to be used with the 17.2 Pro and the Hub Pro, those two right there that I just showed you. And what this does is this actually allows you to connect those two tents, to take this from being a 12 by 12 tent or this from being a 12 by 16 tent, put them together and make them one giant 12 by 28 tent. Now again, these things are all sold separately on the RBM website, but if you bundle them together, you get a better discount. Coody 17.2 Pro, Coody Hub Pro, and this is the connector for both of them. So I'll show you what this looks like first. This is it right here in this little bag. Has an awesome Coody logo on the bag, drawstring on the top so you can always put it away, know where it's at. That's everything that comes in the box. This right here. Yeah, it's literally that easy. Now if we come up and look at the doors on each of these tents, they both look exactly the same because they are exactly the same. And I've shown this in each of the review videos, but you can see there is a zipper right here around the perimeter of each of these doors. You can unzip that around the whole thing and completely remove the door on this tent and the door on this tent. And if you wish to do that, you can, but it's really not necessary because as you can see, you can completely open up this end and that end of each tent. The door just unzips up the middle, across the bottom. You pull the flaps back and tie them at the sides. So you can see they're pretty much open just as much as they would be if you just went ahead and removed the entire panel. Totally up to you, but this way it's just a little bit less work. Now we can also come over here and look under this flap here, and there's another zipper. Now this is where you connect the actual connector that is going to put this tent together with this tent. This one has the exact same thing going on. If we come over here and lift up the flap, you'll see there's the exact same kind of zipper. So this connector right here has zippers on both sides. You simply pull those two tents together, zip this to each one, and there you go. So I've already got the Coody Hub in position where I want this tent to be. So we're going to be moving the Coody 17.2 over to match it up with the doorway of the Hub. So the best way to do that is basically to prepare at least one of these, the one that you're not going to be moving. So we'll go ahead and take our connector out of the bag, and then this is all it is right here, guys. It's just like this 6-inch piece of fabric with a zipper on each side. This is what's going to hold your tents together. So just like in a pair of jeans, you want to find the end of the zipper that's going to slide into the actual zipper fob itself. Get that part connected and just zip it around the entire perimeter of the tent. Now I say the entire perimeter, but what I actually mean is just from this corner over here up around the top, and it stops at that corner over there. It does not actually zip all the way along the bottom, but you'll see when I pull this over, these are going to snug up together. That's going to zip right up to this one. The floors will meet perfectly together. You could put a carpet over that inside if you want. Now for purposes of the video, I did put these tents kind of far apart. They got about a 10-foot span between them right now. But when you set yours up, if you know you're going to be connecting them, you're definitely going to want to be putting them together way up here when you even inflate the tents. I'm just going to pull this one over to that one, but you really want to prevent doing that if you can, because it's always best not to be putting friction on your tent anywhere. This is on grass, so it's really not going to matter, but if you were on like concrete or gravel, you definitely would not want to be sliding your tent across that. We've got a tarp under this tent, so it should be fairly easy. Remember to take out your stakes and then simply pull on the tarp, slide the tent right up until they're door to door. Walk around and get your corners squared up, and you can see where it just snugs right up against the opening of the other tent. And we've got the connector right here that'll go right into that zipper. Connect it the exact same way we did the first one. and then just start to zip it up. Now, obviously, you can't reach up and over, so you have to go inside to complete the zipping. So here's where it's snugged up together, and we can just reach up here, and we can find our zipper, which is right here. Grab a hold of that. Kind of hard to do while I'm holding the camera. Hold on. See if I can get this on film. Yep. Zip it all the way down. And there we go. We got that completely connected. The floors butt right up against each other on the bottom. If we pull that back a little bit, you can see our tarps down there. They match right up. So there's the Coody hub in there. And then if we step this way and turn away, we have now connected the Coody 17.2 Pro. And we can even pull these flaps up and tie them, or completely remove this whole flap. But just like we did with the others to connect them, if we just pull them up to the sides, you still have those flaps to use later for privacy if you're camping with more people. And it still gives you one long 28-foot tent. And there's how it looks from the outside. That thing is enormous, 12 by 28, 7-foot peak down the entire thing until you even get down to the hub where it's almost 9 feet. So you literally never have to bend over for anything in this tent. I mean, look at that awesome campsite right there. And all these windows have interchangeable mesh and clear plastic. Tons of airflow for when you're summer camping. These are both waterproof straight out of the box, but they also each come with a rain fly. And yes, the rain flies come with a stove jack installed right out of the box. You can even completely open up every one of these windows that you see on the front, the back, and both sides, and have nothing in there, just have free-flowing air. And look at that on the inside, 12 feet wide, 28 feet long. That is an enormous family tent. And that end down there can even be open as well to make it just like one gigantic tunnel. So many options for what you want to use for your door. If you want to use the end here, if you want to use one of these windows, you could even use the hexagon window as a door, or the opposite end. My preference in a door is to grab a couple of stakes, a couple of tent poles, and create a door right on the end using that giant window. Right outside the fire pit, you can have your seating area in there, your cooking area in the middle, your bedroom in the big room in the back, king-size bed in there, tables, lanterns, propane stove, wood-burning fireplace. This tent right here wins every campground. And it looks awesome from every angle. How's that for the ultimate campsite? That does look awesome from every single angle, guys. S'mores and ghost stories around the fire, and then when you're ready to go in, pick up all your chairs, your cooler, pull them right in here, set it up as a sitting area in here so you can chill a little bit before bed. All your overflow and your cooking and stuff in here, and then your gigantic master suite back here with your king-size bed. And let's not forget about this. Open up that window and you can kick back and watch the wildlife or anything else going on at the campground. You can get carpets for this tent, the same carpets that fit in the Coody hub and the Coody 17.2 will fit. I mean, this just blows me away right here. This is absolutely amazing. And if you really, really wanted more room, you could still connect another 17.2 Pro down there or another 17 Pro hub down here, and they could just literally keep going and going and going. But there it is, guys, connected together, the 17.2 Pro and the Hub Pro. Biggest tents available on RBM Outdoors right now, and in my opinion, the best tents available on the market. And you can get a discount right now by using my personal link in the top comment below.